Hi everyone, welcome to an SMB Solutions Cloud Services training video. Recently, we've been receiving quite a few requests from our customers and partners saying that they want to save documents and reports directly from their cloud session onto their local computer drive. So what I'm going to show you here today in the training video is how to set up your local computer drive, so you can start saving your reports, PDFs, Excel documents, so you can start saving them to your local drive. So this video is specifically for Windows users. If you are a Mac user, we have created a video for you guys as well. You just need to head on over to our YouTube channel or our Wistia channel and you'll see the link there. Okay, so what I've got here in front of me is my SAP Business One program. So what I'm going to use as an example today is I'm going to show you guys how to save a sales order. So I'm going to go ahead and click sales here on the left hand side. I'm going to click on sales order and I'm just going to select the last one that was in the system. Okay, now I'm going to save it here today as a PDF. So I'm going to click my little PDF button in the top menu bar and it's going to open up the PDF here. And now I'm just going to go ahead and click File. I'm going to click Save As on the left hand side. Now I'm going to click Browse because I want to browse through the documents here. Now you can see it's automatically opened up this long line of folders and documents, but we don't want to go through all of that stuff. We want to save it to a specific folder that we've created in our documents. So first thing you want to do is on your left hand side here, you want to double click on network. We want to go into this TS client. We're going to double click on that. Now I know on my computer I've got a C drive, a D drive and a Z drive. So I'm just going to go ahead and click C drive. Lovely. Now, once you're in the drive that you want to go down to this users folder. I'm going to double click on that. And I'm Taylor Duffy, so I'm going to click on my user profile here. Now this is loading up all the different folders and files that I have on my local computer. So like I said, what I've done is I've created a folder inside my documents, specifically for my SAP documents. So I'm going to go ahead and double click on documents. Beautiful, and there it is, my SAP documents. I'm going to go and double click on that. And now I'm inside the folder that I want to save it to. Now this is a very long way to sort of go around and save all these documents. So what you can do is before you click save and you exit out of this screen, what you've got is you've got your little folder icon up the top here in this address bar. So I'm going to click and hold this folder button and I'm going to drag it down to quick access. So see how I've got that black horizontal line coming in? So I can drag and drop this wherever I want. So I'm just going to drop it straight under quick access. And now I have that saved there. So rather than having to go through TS client and go through users and that big step that we've just done, now all you'll need to do when you want to save is just open up File, Save As, Browse, and then click on My SAP Documents here in your quick access. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and save that PDF in my folder. Beautiful. I'm going to exit out of this one. Let's bring up another sales order just so we've got a different example. Lovely. And now I'm going to show you an example with an Excel because it works exactly the same way and you'll see how we've got that quick access now available to us. So I'm going to click on the Excel button in the top menu bar. Now what it's done is it's actually already recognized that this is the folder that I've saved my last document to. So it's already picked up that I want to save all these documents in my SAP documents. And it's already got here, like I said, underneath your quick access, you've got your My SAP documents here, quick, ready, available for you. So I'm just going to go ahead and click in here and put sales order 1 and I'm going to click save. Beautiful. And yes, you just need to answer, your questions here. Yes to the same column, yes to a separate column, or no. So I'm going to say yes to the same column. Lovely. And now that's saved the Excel document. So just to make sure that it has actually saved, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to open up my documents. I'm going to go into my SAP documents. Beautiful. And we've got our PDF here of that first document. And we've also got the Excel here of that second document. And so that's all you need to know. Now, if at any stage, if you're going through this video and you're going through this process and something doesn't match up or something doesn't make sense to you, you can use the contact details that I've got up here on the screen to get in contact with us. So we've got our 1300 number as well as our support email available. Just drop us a message, give us a call, and we can help walk you through this process. Like I said, you only need to do it one time and then you should have that access readily available for you. Thank you.